Alright guys, we back with another one. It's your boy LSR254, man. As you can see, you got this 4L60E transmission sitting here. We have gone ahead and put our AN fittings on there so we can run our lines to the cooler. We are not going to run them through the transmission like we had previously done on other swaps. We're just going to run an independent cooler and go straight like that. That's what we're running on the actually the two-door box Chevy and the Colors, and it seems to be working out fine. We haven't had no issues, etc., man. So we're gonna continue to run it like that. Smaller. Let me show you. That oil cooler that we're running on this time. Take it inside. So we got all the goodies at. Yeah, so we're running this here, Hayden Trans Cooler 679. It's a little bit bigger than the one that we ran on the last one. But as long as it'll fit, we'll be in there. We'll be Gucci. As you say, you know what I'm saying, we're doing the real BIG for this one. That's that trifecta, man. So yeah, got them AN fittings already installed, and then as you can see, we already got it mated up to the engine. Actually getting ready to put the torque converter bolts in for the 4L60E. That's the part number 14099. This is an improved design because it not only has the hex, but you can actually put a ratchet on it, get it torqued down, etc. The original GM ones were like rounded off on the outside, and sometimes we get that damn hex off, man. It was a bitch. So yeah. Transmission meets engine meets transmission. Like I said, just took all the spark plugs out. Well, I put them in there to build the compression or the power or whatever, so we could do the so I could torque down the flywheel or the flex plate. And then I took them out so it'd be easier for me to turn over the engine so I can line up the plate, the flex plate with the torque converter bolts, and then get them tightened down. And then from there, I mean, we almost ready to go in. This frees up a lot of space because engine comes out, engine's no longer out, transmission's no longer out. Engine stand, this is probably his last job for a minute, so it's probably gonna go in the backyard. But if you look over here, man, we got so much more room for activities. Well, a little bit, you know what I'm saying? When we get that dash or whatever put in the two-door, then yeah, that'll free up even some more room. So step by step, day by day, baby. So I guess I'll bring y'all back when I got it sitting off in the car. I might holler at Cortez or Pierre and get an extra helping hand. I mean, I done it before by myself, but being that I got my dogs, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna see if any of them are available to help. That's if I don't try to go ahead and do it right now. So let's see what's cracking. All right, so we back here in the place to be. I always take the wheel off from the side. That bumper be sticking out kind of far, make it kind of difficult to get it off in there. But a little tip, come in from the side, well, take the wheel off, put it up on jack stand back there. Take the wheel off, slide right off in there. Just like that, baby. Yee! Got the AC box in one part. Ayy. The G body that bit got kind of beat up. But yeah, we in there. Yeet. Alright, y'all, so as you can see, got it sitting off in there. Finna get ready to go ahead and put the motor mount bolts in there. If you ain't got your OGs, man, you can order something from your local parts store, part number 81101. Get you two of them things, put you in the game.